Hi Isha, welcome to Spot Boy.
Hi, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. How are you? First of all, many congratulations for your web series,
Yay, thank you.
and you can wave out to all your fans here who've been waiting for you to come live.
Yes, guys, I can see already. There's so oh, I can see the hearts. Guys, by the way, whoever has not seen, please आप Rejects 2 देखो. पहले Rejects 1 देखना पड़ेगा आपको, वरना story नहीं आएगी समझ में. And then watch Rejects 2.
So Isha, how is the lockdown period going? First of all, tell us that. Is it nerve-wracking, or you enjoying the period to yourself?
You know, honestly, it's been hard. I mean, grass is always greener. I feel लोगों को लगता है कि अच्छा चलो at least you know काफी लोग मैं देखती हूँ अच्छा ये कर रहे हैं वो कर रहे हैं वो नेगेटिव, but काफी लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता कि we all have our own war. I feel really bad कि I'm stuck behind. I really miss my family. I miss my dogs a lot. I miss my dad, my mom, my sister. I miss my boyfriend. But I think most importantly, at least every morning I wake up, I thank the universe, I thank God that all my loved ones are safe, and you know at least there's a roof over my head. I know I can eat. So it's not so bad. But now अब मैं उस मोड़ पे आ गई कि मैं बहुत बुरी तरह से चाहती हूँ कि रुक जाए डालो. पता नहीं I think whenever the moment feels the time is right, you know, I don't know when it'll be.
I think अब हम सभी वो stage पर आ चुके हैं where we just are done with it. I think now we want to get back to our usual life.
The thing is that क्या होता है ना, एक और चीज मैंने नोटिस की है. जब आपको पता है ये एक वॉर है जहाँ पूरी दुनिया एक साथ है, अलग अलग होके भी एक साथ है, तो आई थिंक वो एक होप है. आई फील वो हमें लगता है, मेरे लिए एक वो होप है कि अच्छा चलिए हम सब एक साथ है इसमें, हम में से कोई अकेला नहीं है. तो आई थिंक वो एक दिल को तसल्ली देने वाली भी बात होती है और मिलती भी.
Right, that's right. So Isha, we also want to talk about your fashion choices in this Instagram live. Obviously, we'll be taking questions from your fans as well. So you started off with, you have a Miss World, Miss India background to yourself, and then was the skida always there as a child, the glamour world, you know, to become a heroine, Bollywood, fashion? As a child, were you inclined?
Not at all यार. As a child मुझे बस स्पोर्ट्स का शौक था और पढ़ाई का मुझे शौक नहीं था, बट पढ़ना पड़ता था क्योंकि मैं बहुत मुझे टीचर्स से बच के निकलना पड़ता. मुझे बहुत मारा कभी भी नहीं किसी ने, क्योंकि मैं वैसे अच्छी थी मगर मैं टीचर्स को बहुत तंग करती थी. तो प्रॉब्लम क्या था ना, अगर मैं अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं लाऊंगी तो मुझे पता था कि टीचर्स को एक और मौका मिल जाएगा, तो मैं बहुत बचा के चलती थी. वरना मुझे स्पोर्ट्स का बहुत शौक था. एंड क्या होता है ना, जब आपको इतना ज्यादा, मुझे स्पोर्ट्स का इतना था कि मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता था मैं कैसी दिखती हूँ, मैं कैसी तैयार होती हूँ. यूनिब्रा होती थी एक टाइम तक. लोग होते मुझे अभी भी बोलते, पता है आपकी आईब्रोज बहुत खूबसूरत है. अब मैं कैसे उन्हें बोलूं कि वो आईब्रोज मेरी इसमें इतनी थिक है क्योंकि हमेशा से थिक थी. काफी लोग आपने रिसेंटली आईब्रोज थिक किया, लाइक मेरी बहुत अलग ये भगवान की देन है. मैं आई डोंट थिंक आई वाज एवर इनटू फैशन, बट मुझ में एक स्टाइल है जो आई थिंक वो इंडस्ट्री में रहते रहते अपने आप आ गया, समझ में आने लगा. आई हैव अ गुड चॉइस, बट आई एम एक टाइम पे आई वाजंट. बचपन से बिल्कुल भी नहीं था मुझे कीड़ा. मैंने
नाउ इफ यू हैव
सॉरी
गो ऑन,
मैंने लॉ किया हुआ है, तो इट वाज ऑलवेज अबाउट स्टडिंग फर्दर, completing my education, and it just so happened. But now I mean मुझे बहुत पसंद है मेकअप करना तैयार हो.
Yeah, of course we can see that from your Instagram profile, definitely. But now you have to define your fashion mantra currently. What would that be if you have to say that?
Currently, oh my god, currently I think I have gotten ready only when I have Zoom calls या Instagram live. Otherwise I think मेरे घर पे मतलब वो 2-3 ड्रेसेस है वही मैं पहन के रखती हूँ, बिकॉज यू नो इट्स हॉट ऑल्सो, एंड आप घर पे हैं एंड यू डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट फालतू में. जब तक नहीं आप एसी, तो मुझे तो वैसे भी आदत नहीं है, तो आई थिंक मेरी वही 3-4 ड्रेसेस रिपीट हो रही हैं। वो नाइट सूट मैं नहाकर दोबारा नाइट सूट पहन लेती हूँ। इट्स लाइक वरना मैं अपने योगा के कपड़ों में पूरा दिन, इट्स लाइक मुझे नहीं पता फैशन क्या है। अदरवाइज इफ यू आस्क मी फैशन, anything what people feel comfortable. I think fashion is, sorry, my phone is missing. Fashion is, I think in general about whatever you're comfortable in. For men and women, दोनों के चीज आप मतलब लोगों को होता है कि you know they see the fashion, you know, and they feel कि अरे मुझे सेलिब्रिटी की तरह पहनना है, आप करिए. If they want to dress up as celebrities, to them. But I feel they should stick to what looks good on their body.
Yeah, a lot of people say that, you know, comfort comes first, and I've spoken to a lot of heroines who also says, you know, I need to be comfortable first in what I'm wearing. But something which is comfortable is not always stylish, if you see. So on red carpet especially, have you ever compromised on your comfort and, you know, wanted to wear something really stylish which you liked? Has it ever happened?
The thing is, I have done it. Comfort, see, अगर आप मुझसे पूछेंगे comfortable का मतलब sports shoes या चप्पल, you know, तो heels is uncomfortable. But the fact that अगर मुझे वो कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है वो पहन के जो मैंने पहना है, तो इट डजंट मैटर वेदर इट्स कंफर्टेबल और ऑनेस्ट. कार्पेट पे एक वो रेड कार्पेट का एक अलग ही अपना मजा है यार, एक अलग ही हाई है वो. यू नो जब आप रेड कार्पेट पे चलते हैं उसका अलग मजा है. तो उस टाइम पे मैं ऐसे ऐसे कपड़े पहने और इतनी ऊंची ऊंची हील्स पहनी है कि मैं कभी भी नहीं दोबारा अपनी लाइफ में अदरवाइज पहनूंगी अनलेस इट्स ऑन अ रेड कार्पेट.
But is it nerve-wracking for you right before the red carpet if you have to walk? Is it like, how's the process? Or do you really drill through what you're wearing? You go sit with your stylist and discuss a lot? Or is it just random?
But that's why you need a great team. I think मेरे जितने भी अभी तक है मेकअप आर्टिस्ट रह चुके हैं, मेरे स्टाइलिस्ट, they are all really good. You know, Sanjana, Anisha, my stylist, both of them are so good. And I think that really makes, when you have a great team, that's what makes a lot of difference. Because though you know it's on us, but वो लोग भी अपना इतना time invest करते हैं because obviously ये हम लोगों के लिए काम है. You know,
yeah, right.
Red carpet because this is our profession by the end. So I love red carpet से पहले जो stress होता है, you know, then facial होता है, बाल ये वो, because of course it's red carpet पे you don't get a second chance. आप एक बार गए, pictures click और वही pictures हर जगह. तो but it's damn exciting, but it really takes a team because 4-5 घंटा लगता है तैयार होने के लिए, पहुंचने के लिए. आधे घंटे के अपीयरेंस के लिए हमें 5 घंटा लगता है. तो it's very important.
That's true. But कभी आपका स्टाइलिस्ट के साथ या आपकी टीम के साथ डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हुआ किसी लुक को लेकर? You didn't like something or something went wrong, or just when you were about to walk the red carpet and you fought or anything?
I don't remember because I've had मतलब the girls that I work with, my team, they're my friends also. They're really nice. They're very, they know exactly क्या करना है, you know, and they prepare. In fact, जब हम ट्रैवल कर रहे होते हैं तो वो काफी बार एक्स्ट्रा आउटफिट देता है जस्ट इन केस कुछ खराब ना हो जाए एक आउटफिट में. तो आई डोंट थिंक मुझे कभी, हाँ मेरे इवेंट्स में, नॉट रेड कार्पेट बट अदर लुक्स में हुआ एक दो बार कि आई डिडंट लाइक इट बाद में. बट आई मीन इट्स अ चॉइस, it's not a life or death experience to be like woman. Yeah. It's okay.
But a lot of times, you know, when a picture goes wrong, or as you're saying, you know, it's gone wrong sometimes in photo shoots or anything. How do you know, deal with the trolls which come, you know, after that? And nowadays, social media has become, you know, such a rave, and everyone's there pouncing on you if anything goes wrong. How do you deal with that then?
I mean, the fans are the ones who love us. Even trollers, I think trollers are also fans eventually who just have little hate towards you. I mean, karte raho yaar troll, because आप by the end you're not feeding me, you're not financing me, so it's okay. Trollers have no.
So you just ignore.
और क्या करो? There's so much more in my life to focus on than you know, people just trying to be negative.
Let's talk about your look and rejects, Isha. What was the entire thought process when you guys were sketching out, you know, about your character?
You know what? You should do live with Goldie and ask Goldie, our director. He knew exactly how he had a vision for Renee, and हमने मेरा अगर आप देखेंगे सीरीज ज्यादा लुक्स नहीं है, मगर वो उनमें भी जब तक गोल्डी सर को वो प्रॉपर लुक नहीं मिला, हमने 5 लुक टेस्ट किए हैं वो जो हमारा एक मेन लुक के लिए, जब तक गोल्डी सर को नहीं था कंफर्म कि मुझे ये एकदम बैंग ऑन लगता है, वो करते गए, वो स्टाइलिस्ट को बोलते गए नहीं कुछ और लाओ, कुछ और लाओ, कुछ और लाओ। तो आई थिंक उसका नाम भी ईशा था स्टाइलिस्ट का। तो आई थिंक यू नो वो आई थिंक जब शो पे आता है तो सब उनके ऊपर है। ऑफ कोर्स एज अ हीरोइन you want to look your best, but by the end I am looking the best, you know, the ऐसा नहीं है कि I don't want to say कि oh, I didn't like it, I loved it, but वो जो vision है वो पूरा credit I think it goes to like leather pants, white shirt and that harness and like stilettos, everything was Goldie sir's vision.
But you usually get involved in your styling process, not just for the web series, but other your films also, which you do. Do you like give your inputs in styling?
You know, the thing is that as actors, we know what looks good on our body.
Yeah.
It only comes to the point that I don't like it. That's the only thing. If there's something मेरी body उस पे अच्छी नहीं लग रही है, मुझे confidence नहीं हो रहा, तो मैं बोलती हूँ कि मुझे नहीं है। वरना डायरेक्टर जो ब्रीफ देते हैं स्टाइलिस्ट को, स्टाइलिस्ट हिसाब से करती है। मेरी ब्रीफिंग उतनी होती है कि कोई भी मेरी फिल्म हो कि हाँ अच्छा सर ने बोला, जो भी हमारे डायरेक्टर होते हैं, जो भी की क्रिएटिव्स जो भी इन्वॉल्व होता है कि अच्छा उन्हें ये लुक चाहिए, ओके, अगर मुझ पे अच्छा लगता है तो आई हैव अ से, अदरवाइज आई एम ओके, कुछ भी आप मुझे पहना दो, आई एम ओके।
And how difficult was this role for you, Isha? What was the most challenging bit about this character which you played in Rejects?
I won't say there was a challenge as such. I think no, I don't think there was any challenge. I think मुझे जो गोल्डी सर ने जो मुझे स्टिलेटोस पहन के भगाया, I think that was the most big thing. मुझे अब मतलब उस टाइम पे मैंने I think गोल्डी सर को बोला भी था, लाइक मुझे याद है बचपन में हम बहुत सुनते थे टीवी पे शोज में या कहीं आंटियां बोलती थी फैशन में आग लग रही है, तो आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली राइट, पता चला फैशन में आग लगने का क्या मतलब हुआ, क्योंकि मतलब पुलिस ऑफिसर है, सब है, मगर उसे हॉट भी दिखना है, वो हील्स पहन के भाग रही है। बल्कि शो में मेरा अंगूठा टूट गया था जब मैं शूट करके वापस आई थी, मैं व्हीलचेयर में वापस आई थी एयरपोर्ट पे, वहां से भी यहाँ पे भी, क्योंकि मैं चल नहीं पा रही थी, मेरा पूरा एक बिग टो का पूरा नेल अभी तक वो नहीं आया वापस, पूरा नेल एंड इट वाज फनी बिकॉज इट्स लाइक यू नो, मतलब कुछ भी हो जाए वो हील्स नहीं उतारती डॉक्टर ऑफिसर रहने शो में, तो आई थिंक उसके अलावा आई थिंक एवरीथिंग वाज फाइन, दैट वाज लिटिल ओह क्या हो गया हील्स।
एंड हाउ इज इट वर्किंग?
Sorry?
How is it working with Goldie? मतलब, how is he as a director? Is he a taskmaster or he goes very easy?
Yeah, but एक तो you know he goes so easy. By the way, ये सब बच्चे थे. By the way, I have to mention all of them are amazing in the show. They are all so nice and hardworking. But मैंने उन सबको बोला भी था. Goldie was so lenient with them कि मैंने एक टाइम पे बोली अब इतने लीनियंट क्यों? मुझे अभी तक डर लगता है अपने डायरेक्टर से. And you know, when I'm shooting, so Goldie, I call him Goldie. But when I'm shooting, I call everyone Star and all. And there are all the other kids are calling Goldie या कुछ भी whatever. And I was like, oh my god. अब इतने lenient और बच्चों के साथ. And he's like really, so Goldie is amazing to work with. कितना भी स्ट्रेस हो, because I realize web series is more hectic shooting than film. क्योंकि आप 4-5 सीन्स करते हैं एक दिन में शूट, जहाँ फिल्म में आप एक दिन में 4-5 दिन में भी एक सीन खत्म करेंगे, नो लेंथी. बट गोल्डी इज एन एक्टर्स डायरेक्टर, तो वो उन्हें जब तक वो शॉट और वो उन्हें अच्छा नहीं आता, मतलब वो जब तक सेटिस्फाइड नहीं, वो चाहे, और काफी बार रीजन क्या होता है कि मे बी एक्टर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, तो वो दोबारा
अच्छा.
Very important. मतलब it's really good when your director loves all the actors, and when I'm saying all, मतलब even if it's Jackie का कैरेक्टर जो हमारे एक है वेब सीरीज में सेकेंड सीजन, अगर उसमें भी कुछ अच्छा नहीं आ रहा था, you know, Goldie will be like अच्छा again shoot किसी का भी, and he focused so much on actor to look good and perform up to our caliber, that it's really nice to work with positive people who motivate you.
Right, that's true. So Isha, who is your favorite fashion designer in the industry who you've worked with? Or your list of favorites, or anyone who you want to work with in future?
I think in India, it was one of my first fashion shows, like, and I walked, I closed the closed the fashion week for Rohit Bal. I think he's a legend. He still makes the most beautiful clothes, and Manish Arora.
Okay.
And, like they're just really brilliant.
And any international designer you want to wear the couture for?
Elie Saab on my wedding.
And when is that?
Like Elie Saab has such beautiful clothes. I really want to.
Since you've taken out the topic of wedding, what's happening on that front?
Nothing is happening on that.
Anything you want to tell your fans? Any good news?
No.
I'm sure they'll be curious to know.
Huh?
A lot of them have been asking, in fact.
Well, they'll get to know when the world gets to know, I guess.
Okay. Any inspiration of yesteryear actresses or today's actresses in terms of fashion? Anyone you look up to, or anyone's style you really like in the industry?
I think Rekha ji is one such person who's always been.
That's true.
She's just oh my God. Simi Garewal, when she used to host the show, I was so young. But I remember, oh my God, like she used to look so beautiful every time, just wearing white and so divine. I think these people have been like, woof, like such beautiful and graceful women. Like they look like, till now I feel when they'll enter, they take the whole light,
That's true.
They don't have
That's larger than life, yeah.
And yeah, they're just like, wow, so beautiful.
Let's start with the rapid fire.
Yeah.
Okay, hottest body in Bollywood, male and female.
Male, I think Vidyut Jamwal.
And female?
Female, Katrina is really hot.
Okay. An actress who carries a bikini like a pro.
I carry bikini.
Yes, that's true. I was just about to say that. Don't take your name. Anyone else besides you?
I don't know who else is. I think if I have to, I think, you know what, Sharmila Tagore ji. She wore a bikini and that.
Yeah.
One even thought of wearing a bikini.
Thought of.
On camera and sang, and the pretty smile with the dimples was like, wow.
That was a good combination, yes. Okay, next one. Isha Gupta's biggest fear on the red carpet.
To trip and fall.
Yes, with those heels, definitely. Okay, next one.
You can be in flats also. You can be wearing something long. You just trip and fall. Like that's the only thing that scares me.
Okay. If on a date, what are the 3 topmost things on your checklist which you see in your date?
How they smell. That really matters. Their hands, because I like clean. You don't need to, like, even as girls, like I don't have any nail color.
Yeah.
Quarantine. I don't, unless I have fake nails, because if I shoot it, I don't like to keep my nails. They're very well manicured and pedicured. And his manners of how, so that's the second, and third is his manner of how he talks to the people serving us. I think these 3 things, and then I know whether there's going to be a second date or not. I decided then. If he's any of them are not in the checklist, it's like bye.
Bye, goodbye. Okay, next one. A Hollywood actor you would want to go on a dream date with.
Oh, there are so many. Okay. One, just have to think only one. Chris Hemsworth.
Did you see his latest, by the way, Extraction? Have you seen that? Okay. Between web series, films and TV, which medium suits your temperament the most?
temperament.
Yeah, like what are you most comfortable in? Like doing a web series, a film, or television out of the three?
I have done all three. I've done reality show where I was the judge of, and TV did this one dance show. I have already done web now, and I don't know. I like, basically I love being on set. I love shooting. I love getting ready. I love remembering the lines. I love the hecticness on a shoot and seeing everyone work, because जब हम शूट पे होते हैं लोगों को नहीं पता हर कोई कितना काम करता है, चाहे वो एक लाइटमैन, एक हमारे दादा टेक्नीशियंस इतनी सब मेहनत करते हैं. It's amazing to be. Life on set is the most beautiful thing. So I just love shooting. I just love being an actor.
Okay, and the last one habit which you want to get rid of.
One
habit of yours which you want to get rid of.
I'm short-tempered. I think that's one thing I would want to change. If things are, people commit and then they don't do it, like it's really, like if they're unprofessional, that really pisses me off. But I think I need to learn this by now. India mein aise hota hai. But it's not my fault. I come from an background. I'm used to things happening in a certain way. Which there's little leniency I feel यहाँ पे time की कदर नहीं, and that really pisses me. So I wish I could change.
Okay. So before we wrap up the live, Isha, a lot of people here have also said, and this had become a big fad when you had come in the industry, people called you Angelina Jolie of Bollywood. Did you see that coming ever in your life, or when you were joining, or anyone who had told you before?
Someone said it to me when I was, so my first ever job was, I used to work in this big newspaper publication called Times of India. I used to work there as a part-time journalist. I used to write articles. And at that time someone said, and I was still in college, but they just said, like, I was still like, I didn't really care. They said it and I just looked and I was like, yeah, okay, Mr. Vinod. He said it and it was just like, yeah, okay, whatever. It was one of those things. Then I entered the industry and everyone said it, and I remember I met him after years and he's like, hey, my Angelina Jolie. And I'm like, Vinod sir, you were the first who said it. And people, I still don't see it because I'm the exact carbon copy of my mom. So I really don't see the similarity. But I guess, how we see ourselves is very different than how people see us.
Yeah, that's true, yeah.
Yeah, so you feel that you're seeing it, but people are seeing something else. So it's like, I till now don't see it. Even if my picture it, but if you put my mother's picture and I'm like, oh my god, I look like my mom. But maybe I look more like her. I don't know. It's a compliment.
But you took it positively.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, she's one of the hottest women on this world. It is the big compliment. So thank you guys, whoever's been saying that. If you say it in a good way, you're gonna take one person's name. Okay, you know what? The name is so funny. No more loads. What's my name, Isha? So
thank you so much, Isha. Now, before we go, any one message you want to give your fans out here before we wrap up this live?
Firstly, thank you, Aditi. It was a great live. Secondly, guys, I hope that you all get to watch, Rejects 2 on Zee Premium. Watch it. It's really cool. Give all the love to all my actors. They are sweet. They're wonderful. They worked really hard. But please watch season 1 to understand season 2. Don't jump on season 2. But and I love you all. Thank you. आप में से कुछ को there were a few of जिन्हें थोड़ी नाराजगी थी शो से, so I'm sorry, and I hope third season we'll make sure that whatever complaints you have, they are fulfilled in season 3, and thank you for the love from season 3. And
thank you so much, Isha. Much love.
Thank you.
Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for joining us.
Guys, but love you all. Love you all. Love you all. Thank you. Thanks, Aditi. Bye.
Bye. See you.